This is going to be a product review of the HiFineCare cold and hot wrap with a gel pack. Now this gel pack is awesome. You can take this and put it in the freezer, freeze it up, and then you can use it, or you can put it in the microwave. They give you directions on how long to put it in the microwave so that you don't overheat. The neat thing about this, as they say, you can use this on your foot, on your hand, on your ankle. So what you do is you get this, for me, put it in the freezer because I like cold. Get it nice and cold, take it and stick this against the Velcro part of the wrap and take this and wrap it around your body. So for me, I would be wrapping it around the wrists. If you have carpal tunnel syndrome, that's what you want, carpal tunnel. This will put the ice where it needs to be. If you've got problems with your elbow, just slide it up to your elbow. If you have problems with your knee, put it on your knee. Now, I know this is made for the ankle and the hand and the foot. There's no reason that you can't put this on your forehead as a forehead ice pack. No reason you cannot just lean this against the back of your neck, the back of your head, by the base of your skull, anywhere, and get a nice ice pack or a cold pack or heat pack. I'm going to put a link for this product in the description of this video. Make sure you click on the link. You can purchase this, made by HiFineCare. It is a cold and hot wrap with a gel pack. Good quality. The Velcro is awesome. Very sturdy, very solid. The price, you cannot beat the price. So make sure you buy this if you have any problems with your ankles, with the bottom of your feet, with your hands, just anywhere. This is a wonderful ice pack made by HiFineCare.